Hello and welcome back to another tech unboxing, and today I'll be unboxing this mini thermal printer. I got this from Amazon. I paid I think around £10.70. Usually retails for around £13 to £14, so I saved a little bit of money. And yeah, so let's just take a look at it. There it comes with a QR code for the app to download. Instant printing and pasting, smart app, light and portable, and inkless printing. It's a film printer. These are the specs on the back. If you want to pause that, this is comes in different colours. I chose the black. So let's open this up. So we get a charging cable, like a micro USB charging cable, and then we get the printer, we get the instruction manual. So again, it's got multiple QRs to download this on the App Store or on the Apple Store. And this is just shows you how to use it. I'm not sure if it comes with labels. I hope it does. On the back it's all in different languages. And again, we've got a QR code on there, so it's nice to see quite a few QR codes. Most stuff you only really get one on the manuals. Well, stuff I've opened anyway. So this is the little printer. Turn this on. There we go. Nothing's coming up on the screen so far, so maybe it does need a little charge. I can't see where the labels would go. I think oh yes, you do get some labels of that, so that's great. And another QR. So yeah, this tied up label. These labels are 12mm, 8 by 40mm, and you get 80 of these. I'm sure you could find a replacement for these quite easily. And we just take that sticker off. And then hopefully just feed it through. So it's a bit like a, you probably can't see it there, see it a bit like a tape, and then we just gotta feed that through to the printer there, and hopefully that should work. I think I put it the wrong way around. Yeah, this side up. So then your label should just go through here. Get it on right. Then close the door, and then imagine you just print it, and then it should just come on. But I'm not quite sure if that is a screen or just something else. But yeah, that is the little mini thermal printer. Smart mini label maker is it's called. Input is 5 volts 2A. This is model number D30. So if you want to see a further update on this, maybe printing some labels or anything, leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.